It started with a dust mite, a teeny little dust mite. He lived in the borough files, his life was alright. One day some germs drifted in, infected him and all his babies. And now all the dust mites have rabies. The dust mites got all mad, they ran into outside, into the spruce forest where the critters like to hide. He found a squirrel, bit him on the neck, the squirrel cried, "Save me!" And now the squirrel too has rabies. The squirrel felt all ill, his mouth started to foam. He ran into the woods where the foxy liked to roam. He bit the fox on the neck, the fox cried, "You're crazy!" And now the fox too has rabies. The fox felt all ill, he felt anger coming on. He ran around town until he found a dog. The fox bit the dog bit a wolf bit a tiger, the tiger bit a bear. The bear said, "Is it contagious?" The tiger just said, "I don't know, maybe." And now all the animals in Blaines have rabies. Bite, 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 she bites you in the arm. You might think you're safe, but we're gonna do you harm. Bite, 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 you bite you in the arm. You might think you're safe, but we're gonna do you harm. They rampage around Blaines, knocked down the door of the city hall. Two old dudes and the Snelden Museum, they went through it all. They bit all the tourists, the gentlemen, the ladies. And now the whole town of Blaines has rabies. Bite, 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 she bites you in the arm. You might think you're safe, but we're gonna do you harm.